Hi, good afternoon to all of you. I am here in Sattva, a retreat of Nature Cure Yoga and Ayurveda. And with me, I have Uday Kumarji. Though he is from Kerala, as of now he is working in Bahrain. So he has come all the way from Bahrain to our Nature Cure Yoga and Ayurveda retreat in Mancherial and Telangana. So thank you so much, Udayji.
Thank you very much.
So you have come all the way from Bahrain,
Okay.
and so I want to just have your opinion. Like Udayji was here since last 7 days, so he was here with us, and he has gone through all our routine in our center. So I want him to share his experience. So Udayji, though you are from Kerala,
Yeah.
and we know that a lot of Ayurveda centers, Nature Cure and Yoga retreats are there in Kerala.
Yes.
So why did you choose our center to come from all the way from Kerala?
Okay. I would like to have a small history on that. Way back in when I was still working in GCC country only, and in the Corona time, I had taken this yoga classes from Samira. Dr. Samira used to take yoga classes, and I used to join them. So in the Corona time, and I found them to be very professional. So when I thought about since working in Gulf and all, that health conditions may not be always perfect. So I wanted to rejuvenate myself, to make myself more healthier. So I decided to come to a good yoga center and also a good Ayurvedic center, so that my body will be rejuvenated, my mind and my soul, both, everything will be rejuvenated. So since I knew them and I know that they are the right people to join them, so I came, and I had taken 7 days of treatment, and I found it very good.
Udayji is there in India for a 1 month break from Bahrain. So he thought that he want to rejuvenate and all these things. So but apart from that, what was your main motto of coming to our center?
Because when I was in Bahrain, I had some issues, like I had high cholesterol, and my triglyceride was quite high. Then I had a foot problem, and the orthopedic doctor told me that I had a plantar fasciitis. So actually I wanted to have a treatment of that also in between the rejuvenation program. So but luckily what happened, when I came here, Dr. Sukumar had taken a detailed medical checkup, and that I came to know that my BP is also very high, and I was very surprised that my BP was very high. I was not knowing that about it, but I was very lucky that I could diagnose it on time, and within the 7 days my BP is now very good now. Pain in my leg is also gone, and my cholesterol level, definitely I will go and have a check. Definitely it will be down only.
Udayji, like what kind of benefits you got from us during this 7 days stay here?
It was I was obese, definitely. My weight was quite high. I had this pain in my leg. My BP was not normal, and also I had cholesterol. I had a medical checkup, and my cholesterol was high. My triglyceride was quite high. First 3 days my BP was not that very good, but fortunately with his treatment, with his efforts, and with his guidance and his yoga practices and his therapies, my BP really came down. Now it is in normal condition. My leg pain is also gone completely. My weight loss, that was the most important factor of the whole thing. I lost nearly 3 kgs within 7 days. Okay, it's something which I have not achieved for the last 20-30 years. I actually wanted to reduce my weight for quite some time. I was not able to, because this was discussed with Dr. Samira, that I have been trying many weight loss things by not eating sometime, or doing for fasting, or doing something, eating something, or making something from videos and all. But here with a scientific way I could reduce 3 kgs. That is excellent. I think if I keep doing this, what they have guided me, and the yoga practices, if I continue on a regular basis, I think I will be able to come to my ideal weight of 90 kg.
Yeah, Udayji's ideal weight is around between 85 to 90 kgs. Whatever you have learned here for past 7 days, it might be in terms of yoga, your lifestyle, your diet pattern. So if you continue this, I'm sure that at least 2 to 3 kgs of weight you will reduce every month, and hopefully in another 3-4 months, so you can reach your ideal weight. There are a lot of our friends, they're watching this video. So can you tell them how was your routine in our center?
Okay, so the routine was that, see, you get up at 5 o'clock, okay, get freshened up, then have a stroll, have a small walk. There's a lot of place to walk around here. It's such a beautiful greenery and kind of a nature. It's very good to walk around and have a small light exercise of walking. Then we start with our cleaning exercises. The eye cleaning and the nose cleaning happens, Jalneti and the cleaning of eyes. Then we go for our yoga session, and we have 1 hour of yoga session where one-to-one yoga practice is done, where I do the exercises, and if I am not doing correctly, he used to correct me, and he used to guide me how to do a proper yoga. So in that I was doing all the asanas and also the pranayam, and he guided me very thoroughly how to do asanas and how to do pranayam, so that my BP is low, my weight is reduced, my pain is reduced, and my food pattern is that I have very little what is required for the body. It is not that we have drastically reduced everything just by any random method, no. It has been done scientifically. According to the need only, we have the food, the lunch and the dinner is so, it is packaged in such a way that it is what is required for a human body, and it is what will be required if somebody wants to really reduce the fat. Ayurveda treatments is like, I had Abhyanga, then I had this Shirodhara and mud bath, then a very interesting thing of mud pack, and luckily, though this is a rainy season, that day it was sunshine and I could take a mud pack. Full mud bath. Other treatments like for my leg, I went to ultrasound, then alternate this water bath, and also I had taken 2 special treatments of spinal water bath and a whole body water bath. These sessions were very good, and it really helped me to reduce my weight and also my BP.
Yeah, we have 2 sessions, as you know, like 1 session in the morning and 1 session in the evening. So mostly we have given most of the treatments what is needed, like especially in naturopathy we give cleansing techniques, especially to clean the nose and all. We practice the kriyas, and then in naturopathy we also gave him enema to cleanse the intestine.
Enema.
So apart from that, full body massages, steam baths regularly, mud packs on regular basis, and we focused, as he said, we focused on some of the specific treatments like spinal spray, alternate foot immersion for his foot bath and all these things. So we are very happy, Udayji, that you followed our routine regularly, it's good that you got some relief also.
Yes, definitely. All thing happened only for my benefit. So in my whole life, I think these are the 7 best days I have spent.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So what was your overall opinion about our center, and what is the best thing that you liked in our center for past 7 days?
Okay. What I liked the most, let me tell you, the Dr. Sukumar and Dr. Samira they are well experienced people, and they know what they are doing, and they are dealing everybody very professionally, and they can easily identify people's issues, people's problem, and they can tailor make the things for them, and they can give treatments tailor made for them, so that it will be suitable for individual. It's not like an made for all. It can be tailor made, so that people can take specific treatments, yoga and all, so that people can really rejuvenate, and if they have real problems and issues, it can be solved in a very thoroughly and professional way. And what I also like is there are a lot of facility available here. They have a very good accommodation, they have got very good canteen, they have a special yoga center, and they have got a really very nice treatment center also. So these things, I think if somebody would like to come here and see the facilities and join, I definitely would like to recommend people about these facilities. Please do come, have a look into the system, the facilities, have a talk with Dr. Samira and Dr. Sukumar. You can discuss your problem openly. Many times we don't tell things very clearly to people. That is also a big issue. But if you are more open to them, they will be able to help you more. And I think with their guidance, with their treatment, with their professional way of dealing things, definitely you can see results.
Thank you. We thank Udayji.
Thank you. I must thank you. Yeah.
You know, to be honest, we have not having our website also.
Yes.
And we did not even send him our pics also, our center pics. But still, you know, you believed us and you trusted us, and you came all the way from Bahrain to Kerala and from Kerala to here. And successfully you finished your treatments with lot of health benefits. I believe that whatever you have learned, so you will take back to, you know, with
definitely.
you. It is not that, you know, you come to a center and
definitely,
get detoxified and just forget and go back. So the main purpose of naturopathy, yoga and Ayurveda centers is just like a school. So where you are coming here, whatever you have learned, so try to incorporate in your life. Udayji is our first health seeker in our center. So thank you so much.
Thank you
for coming.
also
Thank you so
for
much.
your help, for your kind treatment, everything. Thank you.
Bye.